Welcome back to my channel. This is Aight and this is my vlog. So for today, I'm just gonna share with you how I'm gonna do my no makeup. Presenting our no makeup look. Ready na akong lumarga sa ating pupuntahan today. But before I end this video, I just want to thank those people who show some love and support. Sa mga subscriber ko, maraming salamat, and more subscribers to come and more videos to come. Hit like and subscribe and watch out for more of our videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.